afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon and warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities. So before going ahead, just reply me whether I'm audible and my screen is visible to everyone. Yes, that's great. That's great. Thanks for replying, sir. Yeah. So I'm really glad to see huge number of participants over here are eager to learn something new. That's great. Once again, warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities. And the Phoenix Commodities is purely into training and grooming people for a relatively new trading segment, commodities. Yes, and I'm really glad to share with you all that we have already trained more than 1,000 members under the brand name Phoenix Commodities, and all are having gala time trading commodities. Today, basically, I'm really glad to start this new series. All of you are fresh for today's session. Come on. Before going ahead, a quick introduction about myself. I'm Hiral Shah, MBA, MCX certified commodity professional, and I had more than 10 years of experience in teaching. Yes, I want the session to be more interactive. I want to reply from everyone. And once again, I would like to tell you all that I'm really glad to start this new series, Commodity Pathshala. And by this, I will be able to connect live with you uh, all the commodity traders and interested market participants can connect with me here. We can discuss commodity market trends, technicals, fundamentals, currency fluctuations, and a lot more. Yes, today's agenda points, and yeah, definitely we are going to discuss today's live call, which we have given in our channel, how the market has behaved today or in the last week. We are going to discuss plenty of important things. Exactly what all is important to be successful trader, what should you people focus on, and more importantly, what not to focus. Right, we all know that we need to focus too much on what from where we should be away, and why it is important to learn and be an independent trader rather than following tips. So there are plenty of things has been scheduled for the day. Hopefully you all will enjoy the session, but before going ahead, just give me quick reply. I want a quick reply from everyone. How many of you are already trading in commodities? Yes, Praveen sir, definitely. I will be using the Hindi as well as English words. That yeah, definitely sure, sir. आप लोगों में से कितने लोग एक्टिवली कमोडिटी में ट्रेड कर रहे हो? Okay, Yogita ma'am, you are not even started with commodities. So I can see plenty of members are new and they would be attending my webinar for the first time. How many of you are the new members, those who have never attended any live webinar? Yeah, from Phoenix Commodities. Not started yet. Okay. Okay, you are already trained, right? That's what you mean to say, Karthik sir. Mohammed sir, new one. Okay, fine. Praveen sir, you are experienced one, right? Nikhil sir, first time attending it. So So before going ahead, yeah, I'm already getting reply from everyone. So 6 months is a pretty good time. Now, when I'm new to commodity, so that's wonderful. I have in today's webinar, I can see that that is a mixture of members. There are members, those who have already gone through my previous learning series, those who are trading commodities since last 6 months or 1 year, and those who are very fresh. So don't worry, I am going to give justice to both of you. Definitely, we will start from the little bit basic things why one should go for commodities. Yes, I'll be laying down today's agenda point, as well as today we are going to discuss live market and Yeah, we'll be jumping to the trades which have been given in our channel. What are the live market and what is the potential of that? So just hold on for that. I can see still attendees are joining. Anyways, let us start today. Now, before going ahead, first of all, I would like to tell you people that we would be extremely humbled. See, there are plenty of options available for a traders, right? It can be equity, commodity, currency, bonds, and you would be at your position, please A, and I just want that successfully from place A, you should have a successfully journey or the transformation to place B. And we will be extremely humbled if we can be any way instrumental in your journey from place A to place B. Definitely, this learning series will give you plenty of knowledge. So just try to get maximum from it. Yeah. Before going ahead, let me lay down today's agenda point so that you should be clear that what you can expect from today's agenda, today's webinar. Commodity, why it's an important segment, why to learn commodity trading, what are myths about commodity trading, commodity markets today, live levels shared in our channel, what the market is doing today, what sort of levels have been shared, how our members are minting profit from commodities, how they can build our capital, about Phoenix Commodities and our offering. So I'm going to share this are today's agenda point, and definitely I'm going to target question answer session at the end of the session. So I want our session to be very, very interactive, and you people can put up your question at the end of the session. If you people are not yet following us on our website, then before starting today's session, I would suggest you people, or let me show you people that this you can just register yourself in Phoenix Commodity. I'm just searching for you, and I will try to upload free learning series in our website. So you just need to type Phoenix Commodity. Yeah, I'm just googling in front of you so that you people can get it. And in this is our website. Register yourself, go in the learning tab, that the videos on, see, ongoing webinars, live webinars, and everything is being uploaded in this website. So whenever it is possible, you just go through these videos and you'll get plenty of learnings. So stay tuned for the continuous learning, and register yourself in the website. In the learning tab, you will be getting all sort of videos. And yes, today itself, if it is possible, definitely, as many members are asking me that if whether today's webinar will be uploaded. So yeah, we'll try to upload it, and you should just go through that, because this commodity Pathshala is an ongoing series. It would be scheduled on every Tuesday and every Thursday. So before coming to Pathshala part 2, commodity Pathshala part 2, it's always better to go through part 1, so that I won't be wasting in the topics which I have already explained you all. Hope you all are geared up for the session. Any confusion, any other queries? Yes, definitely I'll be showing you, sir. This is our Telegram channel, Phoenix Commodity free channel. You people would be following this Phoenix Commodity public channel. If not, start following it for continuous learning and updates. You will be getting the constant updates on commodities, live trade levels, and as well as advanced trade levels, what would be the opening of the commodity, and many other things. So start following us on our Telegram channel as well. Clear? Okay, so we'll be explaining other things as per our agenda points. Let us start with our first agenda point. Yeah, I've just already laid down agenda points. Let's come to our first point, commodity. Why commodity is a key role in spurring economic growth. Now, we all know that commodities connect countries through trade and commerce. Basically, commodity affects the life of each and every individual. Am I right? Each and every individual means life of every individual is affected by this commodity in some or other way. Do you all agree with me? Yes, it plays a very important role in shaping countries' economy as well. And rather going deep into this micro and macroeconomics of commodities, let us see how commodities are important from traders' perspective. Why one should learn to trade commodities, as there are already various segments to focus on. Why one should focus on commodities? You people won't be knowing, but the commodities have the potential, means whatever your interest may be, risk minimization or risk maximization, the commodity futures market can cater to it. Okay, let me explain you why it is an important component of investors portfolio. See, one of this attribute is that they allow you, when you are trading in commodities, basically the biggest advantage is that they let you take bigger positions than your means allow. That means, what I mean to say is that investing the same amount in commodities can earn you higher returns than investing it in any conventional investment option. Commodity is actually a very important uh, segment to trade, and we can't ignore it. Everyone should have that sort of investment, means this part of that portfolio should be invested in commodities. On 1st March, means recently, means before just 1 year, SEBI allowed mutual funds and portfolio management services to participate in agri and non-agri commodities, and index trading has already started, which launched on 24th of August, but it has already started. We have bullion index, we have metal index in commodities, FII participation has started. So you people would be aware about equity markets and Nifty and indexes on uh, equity, right? But commodity market is yet to pick up. Options are yet to pick up in commodities. Again, the indexes are already developed, but it is volumes are yet to pick up in indexes. So I would say the opportunity curve is very steep in commodities, and I would say the growth opportunity is yet pending, and we can grab this growth opportunity only if we are prepared for it. So you people are at the right platform to learn the commodity segment at the right time. And definitely, if you are investing yourself in this sort of learnings, you can grab the growth opportunity which is going to come ahead in commodity segment. It is yet to pick up. Yes, options are yet to pick up. The options are working well, but still the liquidity is little bit less, is yet to pick up. Indexes are already developed and it's been traded, but yet the volumes are uh, yet to pick up. So before that, if we are prepared to grab it, definitely it is going to give a huge opportunity. Believe me, within a 10 years, the scenario of the commodity market would be completely different than what it is right now. And right now also at this stage, our members or the potential of commodities is too huge. Now, instead of wasting time, let us just move ahead. First of all, this is just for the beginners, and yes, definitely, I want to come to the live charts and today's current trades. So I just don't want to miss these things. I'll be coming to that point. Uh, but yeah, the biggest advantage or why one should learn commodity trading is the high leverage. Now, what is high leverage and why I'm telling that high leverage has been given for the trading in commodities? See, the margins required are just around 4 to 6% of the total amount. If you people want to check this, let me show you people live. I can see many members want to check it. Yeah, I'm just getting few questions in between. I'll be giving you to put up your questions at a time, but yes, I'll definitely be replying all your questions. Um, but still, Ajinkya sir, you are telling that from where you will be getting the recordings, or how you just follow our Phoenix Commodities free channel, sir. This is our Phoenix Commodity free channel, and this is our Phoenix Commodity website. In the learning tab, you will be getting constant learning videos over that, so you can just go through that. Okay, so is it clear? Yeah, so now let me show you the biggest advantage of trading in commodities. Why I'm telling that the margin requirement for trading in commodities is quite less. Let me open an RMS live update of the Allies Blue. Now, Allies Blue is also a wonderful platform. If anyone willing to trade in commodities, the leverage given by Allies Blue is more than any other broker. If you compare it with Zerodha or Upstocks, definitely it is giving a huge leverage. Here you people can see I'm just going for the intraday trades and the bracket and cover order. Here you people can see the margin requirement for trading in commodities. Just see, we need a very less investment for trading in commodities. Basically, we can build our capital or we can multiply our capital with the help of commodities, because this commodities is having a huge potential. Again, I'll be coming to rest of the points, but first of all, you all can just check it. Just a minute. Let me minimize other windows. Yeah. Just check over here. If you want to trade in crude oil, you just require, it is the latest one, it is today. I just open in front of you all. You all can also open it and can check what the margin requirement for trading such commodities. Okay, so crude oil, you just require 47k or 48k to trade in crude oil. And gold, you can just trade gold. There are plenty of options available. You can even trade with 20k, 21k if you are trading in gold mini. If you have a less capital, then you can just go with a gold mini and can start your journey in commodity trading. If you want to trade with natural gas, you just need 16k. So the margin requirement for trading in commodity is very less. You can start with a minimum capital, say by 15 to 20k or 20 to 60k. Just if you have a little bit less capital, you can start with a silver mini where you just require 19k, or you can start with natural gas by just focus on your learnings and start with a commodity where the capital requirement is little bit less, and you can multiply your capital quite easily. So I'm not just telling you people, I'll be showing you today in the class itself that how we can multiply your capital easily. So hold on for that. Yeah, definitely coming to the charts, and definitely I'll be showing you people uh, today's levels, or how today people had minted in crude and copper and other commodities. Yeah, definitely we'll be coming to that. So margin requirement for trading commodities is quite less. Is this point clear to everyone? And yes, you people can check it. And this all are the future. Yeah, so options, again, the less capital is required. So high leverage, it's one of the biggest advantage of trading in commodities. Now less manipulation. Now why I'm telling that the manipulation is quite less in commodities? Because these commodities are governed by international price movements. Whenever you are trading in these commodities, you don't need to it's not like that you are just only the Indians would be trading commodities. It has been, this script has been traded worldwide. It has been traded globally. Okay, and they are having their own actual usage. So as if they are having actual usage, commodity markets are less prone to rigging or price manipulation. See, like few scripts, one or two operators or directors cannot rig or dump the price, and cannot uh, yeah, and cannot take the investors for ride. So it's not possible in commodities. They are being traded globally. Crude is the script which is the most traded script in the worldwide. Okay, yeah, definitely I'll be showing you. If you people want to check, then you can just check it, or let me show you the charts once again. Yeah, let me show you the investing.com, and Here you people can see I've just opened this as a USD INR chart. Let me show you people the crude oil chart, and you can see that the crude oil chart runs for 23 hours a day. Our market opens 9 o'clock in the morning and ends by 11:35 p.m. But global chart works for almost 23 hours a day. It sleeps just for 1 hour. Okay, and because of this, technicals works amazingly in commodities, and there can't be any sort of manipulation. uh, so this is the biggest advantage of trading in commodities. Again, before our market opens, we can see the price action, whatever has happened before market hours. Are you all understanding what I'm trying to explain? We can observe what sort of movement the crude is giving before our market will open. Okay, what sort of what are the important levels, how we can schedule today's entry exit, what the trend it is showing, and we can schedule our entry exit accordingly, according to the movements which has been that which was there overnight. Yes, this WTI chart slips only for whenever 2:30 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. It's just slipping for whenever. So before our market opens, see, by our market opens at 9 o'clock in the morning. Before that, at before 9 o'clock, you can just check the price action what has been happened overnight. And this is the biggest advantage of trading in commodities, and accordingly we can schedule our trades. Shall I show you people how the technicals are working? All of you are interested for that. So before going to the agenda points, you want to check this, that, right? Okay, let me show you people. Just check over this. Yeah, today, as I have already told you people, that today we are going to discuss the live market and today's market in the in commodities. So see, today Phoenix commodity, here you people can see that today morning before market open we have capped the levels for trading in crude, and here you people can see that these are the levels been posted before market hours. If you people will backtest these levels, then you will check that there are, yeah, every day it is giving amazing accuracy, and we are scoring 50-60 points of profit is quite easy, but we are scoring 100-200 points on a daily basis because of this levels. It works amazingly. Now today this levels are not yet been executed. So now let me go to the Genie channel and let me show you the what the live calls we have been posted for today is crude oil. Yeah, as we are looking at the crude today, we are just let us discuss the crude oil, and let me show you how this global charts are very important and how we can mint a huge by playing with this. See, by 9 o'clock market open at 9:09 crude, the Genie has given the levels. Buy crude near 78, SL 53, and target would be 10, 20, 30 points. Now let's see what has happened in the chart. Yeah, I'll have to open MCX chart. So I'm just opening zero the MCX chart right now. In front of you all, I've just opened the MCX Genie chart. Yeah, I'll just maximize it so that it would be easy for you. Uh, US oil, yes, definitely, Deepak sir. It is always very helpful. See, this commodities is giving us a huge potential to mint money. Just a little bit of knowledge can give a different edge for our trading. So we should not miss these things, and we should definitely learn it how to act on this. Now, let me show you the live market. Okay, and see, today market has opened. See, by 4404. Okay, so market open, yeah, market opening price also we come up before market opens, and 90% it gives amazing results. Now all of you can check this. What is a low made by the crude oil? It is 59. Our SL has not got hit, and in the morning itself we have, and the high made by crude oil is 4407. Yes, this is a hourly chart. Now let me show you in the 15-minute time frame so that it would be pretty clear to you all. Yes, I can understand. uh, is it clear now, sir? All of you can check it now. Okay, so what happened today? See, I'm just not telling you all that these are the advantages of commodities. Okay, I just want to prove that everyone should invest in the learning commodities. The reason is very simple. These technicals are giving amazing result. Just check, the low made by crude oil is 59. In the morning, Genie gave a buy call from 78 and it made a high. SL has not gone heated and it made a high of 4417. Now let me again show you people what the Genie levels were. You can check what was the stop loss. Did stop loss hit it? 53. Did stop loss got hit? No. And in the buy levels also worked perfectly by given by Genie, and it has given the profit of more than 40 points. Am I right? Anyone can calculate. If you are able to capture 20 points of profit in this, then also it's okay, right? Again, now let us go further that what Genie has posted next for crude oil. See, this moves have been predicted pretty well in advance. Advance means after observing the live market, our members get enough time to act on this. Yes, and it worked perfectly. That's true. Now, what the next call was given for crude oil? Yes, I can see over here that here you people can see that we found it little bit risky, but it worked perfectly, and the buy calls has given all the targets. Now, crude sell call was given at 11:29. That is a copper. Yeah, let me go a little bit of revised copper level. Yeah, crude sell level. All of you can see this. Is it clearly visible to everyone? 4400 SLS 23. Now let us check whether it worked perfectly or not. Yeah, see now, just check this. So this is what I want to show you people today live. So the high made by crude oil today is just 18. So SL has not got hit, and the low made by after this call activated after 11:29. The call was posted at 11:30 p.m. Okay, and at you people can just check over here at 1:30 our call got executed. I think at 1:15 call got executed. So it is advanced level. So how it is working so perfectly, and it has made a low of yeah, I'm just trying to other windows are in front of me, so I was not able to check the low, but now I have just now you people can check it. Low made is 57, so just check it. Again we scored 40 points of profit in sell levels. In fact, yet the buy levels SL has not hit it. Yet the low mid was 57. Buy levels 2 worked perfectly. Again from 78 it is 94. And sell levels also worked amazingly well, and it has given 40 points of profit. Now just tell me that is the technicals working nicely or not? This is everything is live and transparent in front of you. And this is not the story of one day. It is the every day which we are doing this. I'll be showing you people few examples of our master's call which they are generating in the live markets. And yesterday's inventory call, yes, definitely. I'm coming to other commodities as well. But right now, first of all, let me just you reply me for this. Is it clear? Did it work perfectly? Did we? Yes, we scored buy and sell both. We had captured perfect bottom and perfect top, and buy and sell levels both had worked perfectly and has given amazing profits, and it is almost like a more than 80 points of profit still now. So this is the power of technicals, okay? And this is not only for the one script. This what I am explaining, you just try to understand that why this commodities is a very good to build your capital, okay? And to see everything is live and transparent in front of you all. I don't need to put any sort of screenshot or any other things other than our commodities. If you people will browse our Phoenix commodity Telegram channel, you people will just check all things are genuinely posted. We don't need to boast anything because our work is speaking larger than what we want to tell. Okay. So the less manipulation is there, and technicals works amazingly in commodities. So yes, definitely we need to learn. Without investing in learnings, it's not possible. Yeah, the practice and dedication is required, but once if you are ready to give that dedication, and once you are ready to just to give your time and energy to this, then results are just amazing. I'll be showing you how our members are doing it, and we'll be looking at other commodities as well. So let me finish this. We'll be jumping to the chart and today's live charts as well as today's market. Yeah, definitely. Now, portfolio diversification. See, this commodities, it is like a different asset class. Pays nicely when equity market performs badly. In short, I would like to tell you people that commodities can diversify anyone's portfolio. Commodities prices are prone to supply demand dynamics than weather conditions, geopolitical tensions, and natural disasters. And accordingly, commodities are an independent asset class. It proves to be an effective means of diversification in anyone's investment portfolio. And as an Indian, we are just fond of investing in gold and silver. Am I right? So how we can forget that? Definitely it's going to diversify our portfolio. Next is a hedging. Now, risk events such as wars, economic crisis can lead to depreciation of an investor's assets, right? And such events affect financial assets like stocks and bonds negatively. They may also lead to rise in the prices of certain commodities. So these commodities may act as a potential hedge against some event risk, or it can be a buffer against losses. Yeah, so everyone should be part of that. Means everyone should use this for hedging as well. It's a natural hedge against inflation and currency fluctuation. We can't miss that. Now, biggest advantage of trading in commodities intraday as well as positional. And for intraday trading, we are getting 14 plus trading hours. As I told you, people, commodity market starts early in the morning, 9 o'clock, and it ends by 11:35 p.m. So the people who are doing job can easily pursue this, even the housewives, even the students, even doctors, engineers, professionals, according to that time, according to that convenience, they can easily mint good secondary income. In fact, I would say you will not realize when your secondary income will outgrow your primary income. Commodities is having all that potential to give you. Yeah, and I'm not just telling, I'll be showing you people. Okay, don't worry for that, sir. Technicals works wonderfully. I already showed you people in the charts. Again, I'll be showing you that how this technicals works amazingly. Yes, little bit of fundamentals is required. We need to study because this commodities is having a global linkages. It is not only traded in India. Okay, if you are in the out of India, see there are many members from our batch 1 to batch 13. We have successfully completed 13 batch in commodities, and right now 14th batch is going on, and we are having many members. They have joined our webinar from Australia, from Dubai, from different parts of the world, and they are trading commodities effectively, because here we need to think about global linkages. We are getting more participation. That is a minimum manipulation. As I explained you, the commodities are actually used, they are used in industries, they have actual application. Manipulation is not possible. It is a list manipulation we would be finding in commodities, and it respect technicals like anything. Okay, so these are few advantages of trading in commodities. Will be exploring, or will be sharing with you many other advantages as well. Let us go to the next topic. And yeah, before that, I have got few questions over here. Only price action use, or use any indicator which you can see? Nikhil sir, we are using a set of technical setup. Okay, it's not only price action we are using. Let me show you, sir. Before jumping to the next agenda point, let me answer few questions which I've got over here. And yes, Yeah, just hold on. I want to show you the live charts for all the scripts. Yeah, if time permits, we'll discuss today's market as well. See, Nikhil sir, it's not only Ajit sir, it's nothing. It's not possible for anything like that or a free access. You can just observe the free premium channels because we firmly believe in learning, sir. It's not that you can anyone. Let me explain you how this Genie webinar and everything is there. Let me explain you. Ajit sir, I'll be answering your question and other questions as well. Let me finish first of all. Nikhil sir, your question. Yes, Praveen sir, definitely will try to focus on the NG level if there is any. Yeah, definitely. First of all, Nikhil sir, just observe our course curriculum. Okay, it's not only single indicator we are using or only price action. Definitely, price action is a part of our curriculum. We are definitely using price action, but along with the price action in the as per our technical setup, we are using the strong reversal technical setup as well as strong momentum setup. Uh, yes, and many other things which I like to show you, sir. Our curriculum is comprised of fundamentals plus technicals. Okay, so we need to know a little bit of fundamentals to become a pro in commodity trading, and all that has been discussed over here. Yes, Deepak sir, I'm answering to your question. How Master and Genie works for that. So they are using same set of technicals which I'm showing you right now, and how it is working so perfectly. So it is like a pinch of fundamentals and a strong, robust technical setup. And the technicals we start from basic, see by candlestick pattern, price action, trend line patterns, chart patterns. As I told you, strong reversal trading setup, support and resistance zone, divergences. Okay. Along with that, we do focus on gap theory, Fibo levels, Bollinger Bands. Yes, it is too exhaustive curriculum, and the most important is Ichimoku trading system, which gives amazing accuracy. Again, another important thing I would like to tell you all, analysis and interpretation of economy and industry data, and all this session are in the live market. Okay, our again, in commodities, inventory play a very important role, and we do all inventory in a live market. Inventory trading, it is based on supply and demand, and the one who understand and one who know how to play with inventory, it is it is just giving amazing accuracy. Avinash sir, it is the technicals would be there, but it is the way how you implement it along with the pinch of fundamentals and the robust technical setup. Okay, so yeah, definitely you people will be getting the sort of technicals which I am mentioning right now. Yeah, though it is exhaustive and the but the different technical setups which we would be using along with the sort of fundamentals gives amazing accuracy. Let me show you people, and let me come to the master's channel. Let me show you the importance of inventory, importance of the fundamentals in all the scripts. It's not only commodity, it's not only that we need to focus on this fundamentals in commodities, but yes, always when you trade or when you schedule your trades along with the fundamentals, means technicals, and along with the fundamentals, it gives amazing accuracy. Okay, yeah, I have got plenty of questions. So Nikhil sir, it's not only the price action, there are plenty of setup. Let me show you few setups which are being posted by masters. Okay, and Ajit sir, that is not possible. I'll be explaining and I'll be replying to your question. Deepak sir, it is the practice and the see little bit of experience. They had practiced it. All the sessions are in live market. They do lots of practice, and then they are being posted on a master's channel. And Yeah, the same technical setup is giving amazing accuracy if we follow with the strict rules and discipline. So Avinash sir, it's not only the one thing which is making a noise. See, if you want to if we want a clap or if you want to make a big noise, we need two hands, right? In the same way, it's like a technicals plus fundamentals which is making, so which is the reason why Phoenix Commodities is making big noise. Are you understanding, Avinash sir? See, here you people can see, yes, here you people can see the masters levels which have been posted today. These are the live masters level which have been posted today. And see the amazingly the target's been given. Yes, nickel target has been done. NG target has been done. It is already been done. And crude target is already been done, right? Again, it's the same thing if you people will go little bit. Yes, I was going to show you inventory. Yeah, definitely. I'll be showing you the inventory. These members are doing wonderful job. The masters are, who are the masters? So masters are the members from our batch 1 to batch 14. Till now we have started before 2 years. It is our second anniversary and we have completed 14 batch successfully. 14th batch is the ongoing batch. 13th batch we had already completed successfully, and the members, those who are doing wonderful job, from batch 1 to batch 13, they are being promoted in the masters channel. They would be putting up the calls on the basis of the technicals which we are teaching them, and they would be helping complete community to learn and earn together. It is a learning platform, Ajit sir. It is everyone should focus on learning. Please don't run behind the tips providing services or any sort of tips. Yes, Genie is there. We do share Genie research ideas, but it is not for the novices. We do take Genie webinar for that and how to trade on those levels. But it is always preferable to go for the complete curriculum, and then you can mint huge with the help of the Genie. Genie is the channel which is completely giving the labels for the complete day, as I showed you people. And the our members, those who are work our batch members, the same technical setup is been used by Genie. So they, Genie is giving the confirmation to their levels, and it is giving a double conviction for that trade. So our members are learning and earning together. Okay, so Ajit sir, are you understanding what is the difference between, in any novice won't be able to understand the levels of the Genie? Okay, it's a little bit difficult, and yes, Genie webinar has been taken for that, for the members, those who are, and we try to make them understand the importance of learnings. Nothing can beat learn, nothing can beat learnings. Okay, and it is the Genie webinar which we are taking, and along with that we are just giving them an access for a month to just understand how the Genie levels are working, and you can just recover your fees. Yes, and the explanation would be given in detail if you want to join, but it's always preferable to go for the batch, sir. Don't think learnings are assured at Phoenix Commodities. You don't need to worry for that. Now let me come again back to the inventory question. Yes, I would like to show you the live inventory of yesterday. See, yesterday crude inventory came at 8 o'clock. Oh, sorry. I just jumped behind. Anyways, let me come back. Yeah, you can trade in US dollar also. Our masters are trading in the dollar as well because they have account over there. So they are trading in dollar as well. And if you have an account in the US, even you can do that, right? Yeah, so it is March 22nd. Yes, that are the members who are making the profits in crores because they are trading in US dollar. Okay, and these levels are working amazingly. It is giving amazing accuracy, not only Genie and Masters both. I don't need to speak a lot about that because you people already know about this thing, right? Now let me come and let me show you people the power of inventory. Say by yesterday night 8 o'clock, inventory was been scheduled, and during inventory, just in the fraction of minutes, our members scored more than 100 points of profit. And along with the profit screen print, it has been posted in the channel. Yeah, I just went a little bit down. See, just check this. 7 o'clock, Master Shilpa has posted purely inventory call. All of you can see this. This is the yesterday's which I am showing you people. Okay, I just want to discuss the live market as much as possible. So here you people can just check this power of inventory. So it is a buy crude oil from 45.50 with this stop loss. Once it break 90, 4390, the target is 4410, 4450. Now you people will be surprised to see the movement of inventory. Do you want to check it right now in the live market? Yeah, just a minute. Let me minimize. Yeah, let me make myself in the mute. So this is yesterday. Let me open the chart. I think crude chart is already open. So let us see in the crude itself. Yeah, sorry. No worries, sir. I can see there are many beginners today. So don't worry. I'll be taking a complete session for the inventory. Inventory is on every Wednesday. We'll be getting the crude inventory. It depends on the supply and demand. And according to the data of the inventory, we would be getting a good price action. Yes, in our class, we do take a live inventory session. Each and every session would be live. So this is the 8 o'clock when inventory came. Can you see this, sir? This is just the yesterday's chart, yesterday 8 o'clock at night, what I'm showing you. And you people had seen that Master Shilpa has put a buy call from 54, right? All of you can see this. Is it visible to all of you? Come on. Sekhar sir, you don't worry. Yeah, so you understood what is inventory. Yeah, and the data comes at 8 o'clock at night. So yeah, the low made was 35 over here. She had given a call to make a buy entry at the 7 o'clock, right? Something around 7 o'clock, which we checked right now. So when the price was trading at 55, price came to 35, buy call got executed. Yes, Hasim sir, I'll be showing you how to get an inventory data. I'm trying to answer your all the questions. So just hold on. Let me finish this and then I'm coming to the next question. See, just to check over here the accuracy of her call. And the complete group has maintained a huge along with her. Just check this. What a wonderful move after the inventory data. And see, it's not only because of the inventory data, it is inventory plus technicals. Data was negative for the crude oil, but technicals played a perfect role, and as per the technicals, Master Shilpa made a perfect inventory call. And to see the power of learnings, this happens every Wednesday or every Thursday. Master or genie will be trying to pick up perfect levels and to see the move. Oh yes, sorry, let me draw the trend line so that it would be neat and clean and you people can just check it. Yes, Ajit sir, definitely. Genie gives labels as well as masters give labels according to masters will be giving their labels according to that convenience. Definitely, Genie will be giving the labels as and when required. Genie would be always, yeah, Genie would be more active than masters, but both gives labels. So I'm showing you the labels of the master. Yeah, Avinash sir, and just check this accuracy. Did it work perfectly? Did it give all the targets? It has given more than the target. And I am just showing you people these things live. Okay, when did she posted the call? 7 o'clock. This is the power of learnings, first of all, and this is the potential of commodities. Do I need to explain anything else? Genie, Avinash sir. See, masters are putting up their levels according to the same setup which Genie is going to be used. Yes, that there can be a different perspective and a different, yeah, some of the Genie levels would be advanced, and the market masters would be giving the live calls on the basis of the live market. So it differs some days, and masters are trading along with that. They try to share as many levels as possible for them. Okay, and Genie works for the advanced level so that people get enough time to understand why these levels are being calculated. Our batch members can learn and can even act on that and can even earn on that. Are you understanding, sir? Why we are focusing more on advanced levels? So that people get enough time to understand those levels and can schedule their entry exit, prior entry exit. So masters would be trading whenever they are free, whenever they are available. They would be taking their own trades and they would be putting the same levels in the group as well. Hope you all are understanding the difference between Genie and Masters. Genie is is maintained by our in-house technical team, and we maintain an Excel sheet for Genie. And you people are observing the Excel sheet of Genie trade levels in our Phoenix Commodities free channel. Am I right? But we don't maintain an Excel sheet for the Masters level. Just check the Genie Excel sheet for the March. Is it clear? It is the combination of the Genie and the Masters. Yeah, both are giving amazing accuracy, sir. No comparison, but yes, definitely. Let me come to the Masters channel once again. I'll be showing you that also. No worries. Yes, we are going to the live chart as well. See, by just check this. So this was been posted at 7 o'clock, and this has not only been posted, it is also been traded. And see, another master also sorry, another master also given the same buy call at 60. Both the master had achieved their targets, and it's not only that, they have posted their screenshot as well. Just check 14,500 in just a few minutes. All of you can see this. So this is the power of technicals and power of learnings. Yes, this is the screenshot shared by Master Shilpa when she posted the call. She traded on the same call, and the profit screen print is just in front of you. Are you all understanding the potential of commodities? Do I need to say anything further, or do I need to explain anything further? Yes, commodities are having a huge potential, and we can mint with the minimum capital. But please don't try all these things without focusing on learnings. Okay, learnings are always important. Nothing can beat learnings. Try to gain knowledge, and the yeah, what else I would say? Learnings are priceless. Just check the batch 14. Let me show you. I'm getting plenty of questions. I have not read all the questions. Hold on, I'll be reading everyone's question and I'll be reverting. See, this is a batch 14. Just a few session has gone. Just 1 week has gone. And yeah, every day the session have been scheduled in the 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. in the live market. See, these people are doing research and have started making profits as well. They are doing research and they are trading. They are not taking their trades blindly. They are working their own levels. They have started making their own Excel sheet, and see the wonderful performance of our batch 14 members, which is just going right now. There are plenty of such examples, which or plenty of such stories from Phoenix Commodities, which I can tell. Definitely, I'm not going to waste so much of time to explain you. You people can just browse Phoenix Commodities channel and you will get such a wonderful story. So these people have already started their journey. They are already trading on the basis of their analysis. And yesterday, it's not only Master Shilpa made a profit, but our batch 14 member also made a huge profit. Okay, you don't believe, you won't be believing it, but recently see the profit of our batch 14 member. Okay, you won't believe this. These people are doing wonderful job. It's an exceptional job. They are learning and earning together. They share each and everything. And there are the members who are already making 80,000 rupees of profit. See, they have already started practicing what has been preached in the class. Yes, recently one of our member from batch 14 had made more than 80,000 by trading single copper. Yeah, I'll have to just check this. See his profit. Still they don't. Just check this: 29,250, 22,500. Isn't it amazing? potential is too huge. And this was his first screenshot. I think the next he made more than 78,000 rupees of profit. If you people want to check the screenshot, I'm just going in the batch 14 and I'm just clicking the photos, so I just don't need to search the text, and we should not waste the time in that and just see this text, just the copper. Just see. Isn't it worth investing in learnings? Come on, tell me, Avinash sir and Ajit sir. Yes, who else were asking me? Praveen sir. Why you want to depend on anyone else? You should have your own conviction. Little, definitely learning speeds a beautiful result. I don't need to tell anything further than this. So anyways, this is the batch 14 group which I am showing you people. Yeah, definitely batch 1 to batch 11. You people will just see that people are doing wonderful job. All members are just having the same goal. They learn and earn together. It is a wonderful collaborative learning platform. You can just check this. I'm showing you people the batch 11 group, and there are many masters from batch 11 as well. So anyways, this was a wonderful session and hope you all enjoyed this. Yes, what is inventory? Yeah, wait. The few things are yet to reply. Akash sir, definitely not. Okay, it's not specific to each commodity, but each and every commodities. Yeah, I think I've missed few questions, so let me go to the other questions as well. Yeah, definitely I'll be going up. So yes, Akash sir, as I was telling you, this Excel sheet, Vinash sir, you were asking me the Excel sheet. See, if you want to really check the Excel sheet of Genie, you can do one thing, Avinash sir. Akash sir, I am answering your question. Just a minute. You can just do one thing. You can just go through our testimonials link. Okay, Phoenix Commodities. Are you following our Phoenix Commodity Free channel? Avinash sir, are you following us on the Telegram Phoenix Commodities channel? Yes. Now you go to the testimonials link. I just showed you the testimonials link and browse it. You will be getting the Genie Excel sheet or the performance of Genie, which we are maintaining on a daily basis of the past 2 years. Are you understanding, Avinash sir? On a daily basis, our team is maintaining it. It has been posted. There are plenty of Genie members already sitting in Genie. The profits which have been mentioned in the Excel sheet are would be less than what we would have occurred. That is, no means everything is live and transparent. Okay, so you just don't need to worry for that, and just browse it. You will be getting the past 2 years of Excel sheet. Just check it, sir. Have the conviction before taking any sort of decision, and then only go for that. Yeah. So this answer was yeah. This was one of the question. Now next question is like as per natural gas pass. Okay, Ajit sir, I'm not going to open the NG price right now. Uh, so that's the sort of technicals which you are asking, right? Yes. See, we try to minimize our stop loss. That's our first priority. Our focus should be always to gain a good profitable trades with a minimum risk, and the stop loss should be minimum. So that's always our priority. Again, the Akash sir, yeah, I was answering your question. Technicals are not specific to each and every commodity. See, we have a very less commodity or the less crypto focus. Let me show you people. Let me open this. If you people want to just go through the little bit of fundamentals of this commodities, let me open the MCX website. Oh yes, it's just over here. I'll just double click and we'll open it. Yes, for the Hasim sir, you can go with Allies Blue. Allies Blue is giving a very good leverage, and it is a good broker for trading, specifically for commodities. Okay. Now, Akash sir, see, we have very less products to focus in commodities. We don't have hundreds or thousands of scripts to focus in commodities. We just have 8 to 9 scripts, say by bullions, gold and silver, base metals, copper, lead, nickel, zinc, energy, crude oil, and natural gas. Okay, we do have a very less products to focus, just 8 to 9 products, and this all are traded globally. We don't need to focus on the agri commodities because they are highly traded domestically. So we are not focusing on that commodities. We are just focusing on the global script. And in this script, Here we just need to know little bit of fundamentals and a strong robust technical setup. So technical setup may not differ from different commodities, but the sentiments may differ. Are you understanding, Akash sir? Technicals doesn't differ, but sentiments do differ, and we know how to tune both of these things. There are the intercorrelation between these commodities as well, energy and base metals, and even some days the base metals would be giving some sort of same pattern. So we do learn all these things. Say by gold and silver are giving a lot of similar patterns. We try to identify the differences between them, and then we need to work on that. Yes, currency also plays a very important role in our commodity trading, because if we want to buy any sort of commodities, we need to buy in US dollar, right? So currency is a major factor which always impact the price of the commodities when we are comparing the global charts to MCX chart. I will be carry forwarding the same topic of how these commodities are correlated with the global charts and how currency is creating an impact in commodities in upcoming part 2, commodities Pathshala part 2. So we will be meeting again next Tuesday, commodity Pathshala part 2, and our session will be continuing, and definitely we'll be discussing live market. Hopefully you enjoyed today's session, and if you have any questions regarding today's session, or to follow us, or how to follow us on our website, you people can just start following this our Phoenix Commodities free channel first of all from today itself. And if you have any confusion, you can contact our support team. The support numbers are been mentioned over here, so you can just connect us through website or through Telegram channel. You can just contact our support team for any such queries. Okay, they will be more than happy to guide you and help you. Yes, definitely. Part 2 is been scheduled on this is ongoing learning series. Part 2 is been scheduled on Tuesday, and definitely I'll be taking what is inventory in upcoming session as well, Amit sir. So looking forward for the same. Yeah, and we'll be meeting you for the next session next Tuesday, and we'll be including inventory as well. Thanks a lot. Have a good evening, and we'll be meeting Tuesday 3 to 4. Thank you.